Hey there, Aaron here with Grow Lawn Sim in Burleson, Texas, checking out this Zeon Zoysia lawn in mid-July. And what's happening here is we're having some localized dry spots because Zeon Zoysia is a short-rooted grass. Let me turn the camera around and show you what kind of symptoms you could get in the mid-July, August, when it's really hot with Zeon or Emerald Zoysia. All right, so here's the kind of a more of a shaded area. The area looks good, but right here where it's getting more sun, you're starting to see these little hot spots coming about. And that's because the Zeon or Emerald Zoysia is a short-rooted grass, and when it gets hot, it's susceptible to this kind of yellowing. This isn't fertilizer burn or chemical burn or anything like that. It's just short-rooted and it needs more water. And so the customer is watering, but with this type of grass, you're going to have to increase the frequency. So you might have to water every other day, and in some cases every day in the summertime. Even consider a late afternoon cool down watering, anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Come out here and water it by hand just to cool it off. And you may even have 4 to 6 inches of moisture here already, but since the grass is so short rooted, you're susceptible to these kind of dry spots. So thanks for watching this video on Emerald and Zeon Zoysia in the hottest part of the summer. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.